Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Helen Knaggs, Vice President of Global Research and Development. But I'm not only a scientist, I'm also someone who cares about my own skin, which is why I am so passionate about the ageLOC LumiSpa IO system. This remarkable device is part of our award-winning beauty device system brand, and I think you're going to love it as much as I do. LumiSpa IO is beautifully designed to provide superior cleansing as well as an exclusive clinically proven skin perfecting treatment. It stimulates the skin using proprietary micropulse oscillation technology, the precise motion and frequency that helps reveal dynamic, visible skin renewal, resulting in smoother looking, softer feeling skin after only one use. But it's the unique relationship between LumiSpa IO, its treatment heads and treatment cleansers that make this skincare experience so special. Each skin-loving silicone head is embedded with antimicrobial silver and exfoliates and smooths the skin without upsetting your skin's microbiome. Now that's quite impressive on its own, but when you add the treatment cleansers, we really begin to set ourselves apart. These products aren't simply cleansers. The formulas create an optimal balance between glide and grip that ensures the correct contact and movement to treat and cleanse the skin effectively. We've also incorporated some incredible beauty tech innovations that allow you to customize your beauty routine and take your entire LumiSpa IO experience to the next level. ageLOC LumiSpa IO is Bluetooth enabled, which allows the device to connect with the new SkinVera app on your phone. Now you'll be able to access recommended routines or create personalized ones of your own and track your progress. But the app isn't the only innovative aspect of LumiSpa IO. Built-in device sensors alert you when it's time to replace the treatment head and can detect if you're applying too much pressure or scrubbing too quickly during your routine. It's a connected experience that will enhance every step of your skincare regimen. And of course, I'm equally passionate about our clinical results and how we achieved them. We've conducted so many clinical trials that I won't go into all of them, but I would like to highlight one that I am especially proud of, Beauty Focus Collagen Plus and ageLOC LumiSpa. As we looked at how to increase visible results, we knew that improving the skin is both an internal and external undertaking. So we asked our researchers to evaluate the visible efficacy of taking Beauty Focus Collagen Plus and using ageLOC LumiSpa daily for 4 months. As a scientist, I love being able to share such compelling results, and I also love seeing the benefits on my own skin. Of course, we're always learning more and tapping into LumiSpa IO's potential. So I look forward to sharing more with you in the future. For now, thanks so much for joining me.